Okay everyone, this is the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone. Can't you believe that? We went to Yellowstone first and we climbed down half of the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone. So, me and Dad took a picture and me and Dad just took a picture. Oh look, there's the waterfall drop. Can you see it? Look at it. You should see it from a different view. Come on. Follow me. You're not following me, you're following her. Sorry.
Go show mom. Go show mom the picture.
Sure. After I just take this video. There's a lot of people. Look at it. Look at it. The water is moving so fast. Look at that. But I want to show, look at that. It's a big jump.